Hey everyone, this is just be a very quick unboxing here of the Easy Home Rechargeable Cool Mist Humidifier here. That is in Spanish here. Well, it's in both. Alright, so this is of course very portable. You can use the USB all the time to use it, or you can actually use the USB to charge it on up, then use the rechargeable battery. So there it is, 10.82 ounces, 0.32 liters, lasts up to 12 hours. 2 mist settings, comes with a 39.37 inch or 1 meter long USB cable. Actually comes with 5 replacement filters. Very surprised this has filters with it. A lot of cool mist humidifiers don't actually have filters. So, and also 2-year warranty on there. It comes in a few different colors, a white, black, and then this one, which I think is navy blue, which is really cool. Also has 7 color changing LED lights. Out of the box, we have the USB. It's just micro USB, of course. I mean, this only costs $13 from Aldi. User manual, some more warranty paper. Then here it is itself. It's kind of nice looking, little lip here. You can actually see how much water's still in there. See, it has a few different buttons there. Save your light. That should be the mist settings. So there's 2 of them, and the power button there. Almost looks like a cup. You can drink out of it. I already took off the top here, as you can see. So these are the filters. Let's see. These are the little filters. It's kind of like a, almost feels like felt type filter here. I should just go right in the middle part there. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice and simple. We'll have to see how well this thing actually works. I mean, only 13 bucks is quite cheap. Hopefully it will work just fine. And back here's where you charge it on up. So, yeah, we'll see how well this works. Thank you guys for watching. Always, I do appreciate ya. Hope you all have a good one. See you guys next time. Goodbye.